I got two rings over here, the Samsung Galaxy ring and some smart ring I got from Amazon. These two are both going head to head. Obviously the price and all the specs are different, but we're gonna go and get deep into this and see which one wins. Let's dive right into it. I got this $600 ring from Samsung Galaxy, and I got this $55 ring from Smart Ring from Amazon. This Smart Ring has an LCD screen. It's really cool. I got it because of this LCD screen that it has, and I've been really wanting to make a video about it. Been using this for a couple of weeks, and I've also tested out Samsung's Galaxy Ring, and of course these two are wildly different and the feature and prices are totally different. Both rings are trying to solve the same problem, give you health and activity tracking, and without putting a chunky smartwatch on your wrist, of course. Let's talk about build and comfort. The Galaxy Ring is definitely a sleeker option. As you can see, it's slimmer, lighter, feels like a piece of jewelry, a gadget, and you can't even notice it. It comes in multiple sizes, so you can get a true ring fit. If you want something discreet that shows your health and tracking, then this is the way to go. The other Smart Ring is from Amazon, and it's a no-name ring, obviously, but it's a little bulkier, and it is pretty noticeable when you wear on your finger compared to the Samsung. So it's like a gadget, but here's the thing. This thing has a full color display, and the Galaxy Ring doesn't. So Samsung went for subtle, this ring went for flashy. The Galaxy Ring is part of the ecosystem of Samsung, so it integrates directly with Samsung, giving you detailed sleep tracking, heart rate variable rate, stress tracking, cycle tracking, activity logs, you name it. It's more clinical, more data heavy, and honestly, it's aimed at people who want to take healthcare seriously. This Smart Ring is a completely different class. You still get heart rate, SpO2, sleep breakdowns, step counts, calories, and even skin temperature, but the accuracy isn't medical grade, and it doesn't sync with Samsung Health or Apple Health. The app is simple, there's no ads, no login required, and it's what you see and what you get kind of thing. For casual tracking, this is good. For serious athletes, then you should go with the Samsung. This Smart Ring has a screen. You can really flick through the heart rate, SpO2, steps, time, and battery life without even opening your phone. The Galaxy Ring, obviously no screen at all. It's all handled through the Samsung Health app, and if you have your watch, you can handle it through your watch as well. Depending on what your budget is, this could make it or break it. Some people like the minimal design of this Samsung, and then some other wants this flashy, cool looking design that people will ask you, what is that, you know? It's pretty cool. This is where the Smart Ring wins. It has some gesture controls. You can flick TikToks, swipe YouTube shorts, or snap a photo remotely. Is it essential? No. But is it fun enough to show your friends? Absolutely. Check this out. These are my shorts with the strap on my finger. Let's see how strong this earbuds is. I'm gonna take one more. Let's see. I feel like Harry Potter over here. That was not funny, but see, you can just go to the next video. Next. Okay, so you can do this on TikTok, YouTube. You can actually scroll as well. This is just for scrolling. It won't scroll down, it'll just keep going up. Even though we go down, it'll just keep going up. I wonder how far it's gonna work. Let me just go back to the corner of my room. I'm about 4 feet away. Oh my God, crazy. Okay, let's go another 5 feet. Yeah, it's still trying to work. This is crazy, man. I'm gonna leave the room just for the fun of it. That would trip people out. Okay, I just left the room right now. You go to remote selfie, all you gotta do is move your finger clockwise and takes a photo. The Galaxy Ring doesn't even try to do that thing. It's focused on pure metrics, not gimmicks. Let's talk about battery life. Battery is close, but Samsung still edges out. The Galaxy Ring lasts about 5 to 7 days, depending on the size and usage. The Smart Ring gives you around like 3 to 4 days before you drop it right in the case and get it charged. And honestly, I think the Samsung lasts a little bit longer, of course, with all the tracking and sensors on. The Smart Ring, of course, got that LCD screen, so that'll eat up a little bit of the juice. I would say probably 20%. And I love to hit the button and to light it up as well. So definitely is gonna kill that battery. The case of it is handy. It's small and it's like a power bank for the Ring as well. The Samsung one is a little bit bulkier. So let's talk about price tag. $600 with it, $55. This is a big one. The Galaxy Ring is expensive. Premium materials, premium features, deep ecosystem with Samsung, and a brand name behind it, of course. But not everyone wants to spend $600 on a ring, especially that it doesn't do much more than a watch. At least in a watch, you have a screen, so this is almost the same price as the Galaxy Ultra or the Classic 8. Now, this smart ring, it's $50, a fraction of the price. Sure, you sacrifice accuracy, long-term health insights, but you get a colorful screen, waterproofing, gesture control, sleep and activity tracking, and a case that charges on the go, and it's pretty small. For most casual users, it covers the basics. If you're someone who lives in the Samsung ecosystem, values precision, and wants detailed recovery, then the Galaxy Ring is hands down the smart buy. It's serious, polished, and goes into your lifestyle without screaming gadget. But if you want something fun, affordable, and actually eye-catching, this smart ring is surprisingly good. It's not trying to compete with Samsung, it's giving you a taste of what a smart ring can do. Plus some cool tricks that even a $600 ring doesn't come close to. So really, it comes down to whether you want premium health integration or a fun, budget-friendly gadget. One's a tool, the other one is a toy. If this video helped you at all, decide which ring you want to go for, please don't forget to like and comment and subscribe, and leave some comments so I can reply back. See you guys next time.